Racing is addictive. I think once you've tasted the elixir, there's no going back.
Here's the 10 bike. Johnny Lewis, fastest guy.
These women are going to push themselves even harder.
You can't get better than this. You can't possibly go closer than this.
That's the beauty of the sport.
Gary Birtwhistle's come all the way around the outside. The race winner, Gary Birtwhistle.
Looking inside. Oh! Rode right up into Janice, knocks Janice up off the line.
I twisted something in my knee and felt a pretty good pop in it. Kind of lost all strength in it, and we taped it up.
Don't count out Johnny Lewis on the Royal Enfield number 10.
Build, train, race program.
We're making history every time we're out there.
These ladies, from that drop of the green flag, when those lights went out, it was a war. Speak now!
Doors down. I think a lot of nerves are going on right now.
The #1 play to Miss Kaylee bike.
Chasey Jones doing a great job.
The Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup. It's all about the biker skills that come into play here. These are the moments that we live for, isn't it?
Oh, there's a problem there. Ow. Bike goes sliding.
This has been a competition which has gone all the way to the cliffhanger.
Let's all win Xavier, who's taken the win.
Surya, of course, celebrating as well.